Alright, good morning everybody. Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Breaking Weather Center. Today is March 23rd. Taping this at 5:55 in the morning. Normally we don't take these this early, but this is something we gotta have to talk about again. We got some stuff to talk about. Storm Prediction Center has been monitoring this from the last couple days. I've been looking at it. Me and Forecaster N been talking about this. Me and Isaac have been talking about this. Me and Jonathan, we've all been watching this and moderating this. The whole USA Severe Weather Network has been watching this. Storm enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms includes parts of Louisiana, Alabama, parts of western Kentucky, Arkansas, and there is a little concerning over there by western Kentucky. Is in this yellow color is basically a slight risk. So I kind of picked that up this morning when I looked at some of the models. So let's take a look here at the possibilities. I can't look at the what is going to be tornadoes, but I can tell you. Look at here. They got a hatched area, Western Kentucky. So what does that mean? It means we can see significant severe thunderstorms, I mean hail, high winds, even strong tornadoes. So here's what the Storm Prediction Center has put together. They put together this, and I'll move back so you can see. Potentially outbreak of severe thunderstorms include strong tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, and this could ignite hours. So in Mississippi and from the state, so this is a particularly dangerous situation. So you got to take these storms seriously. So this one looks a little more stronger than the one we went through the other day. So the robust severe weather event. Normally when the Storm Prediction Center mentions strong tornadoes, it's never good. This is why I kind of want to do this update this morning. So I've seen stuff, but we need to take a look at. So hold it tight just for a second. And this is what I looked at this morning when I just woke up. We got storms tomorrow, but I mainly came on just for this today. It's because we have this huge threat of storms here. So let me go to the NAM. This is what I picked up the models. And we'll start down in Alabama. This is where it started at. Alright, here we go. I would have to go here and change this. Alright, there we go. It's back in what it needs to be. We'll go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, noon. But see, this isn't the first day. 3.8, 4.1, 4.8, and this is really getting interesting. I'm getting into the Dartmouth futures, and look at this. Gosh, are you kidding me? 9.7 for severe thunder. This is a significant tornado parameters, folks. This is very strong signs that we got some tornadic weather. So definitely everything's on the table today for tornadic weather. So yeah, you're gonna have to watch these sails that develop because these sails could produce potentially of strong tornadoes. We gotta have to watch it at the 10 on a scale. And what it's doing, it continues to you got the poles, the futures, and it just so we could be dealing with severe weather all the way through Friday morning again, and finally fizzling out. And we have to watch into the Friday for accuracy more. So this is some very strong tornado ingredients. supercell composite. Now, this just tells you a factor of different things. I mean, if you get the tornadic, if you get anything like that, any storms, upscale and different things like that. So here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 a.m. in the morning. So here what we go. Here we go into Thursday. Let's just take a look at Thursday. We're starting to get into my futures. So that'll be up to a 4. So definitely there's storms. And look at this. Gosh, up to 12, 14. So yeah, and this it keeps increasing to 18. So folks, this is really growing. So definitely there's going to be potentially of rotating thunderstorms. There's a PDS sinister. So what's that mean? It's a typically dangerous situation again. So you gotta be aware. So these storms are going to be very strong and very potent Thursday. And I'll tell you just something here before we even go off. There's not exactly in my mind, but there's going to be there's going to be potentially a tornadic weather. Uh, these storms are going to be tornadoes, easy, because we check the significant tornado parameters, and that's their supercell composite. So this is not a problem. We got everything there. We got significant tornadoes, updrafts are going to get everything's there for this storm system to be very potent. So you got to be ready. And it just never slows down. Here's the pink colors that indicate a 9. So even a 9 is still not even good. So that's one thing. So yeah, this is looking strong. So two things I want you to remember while we're sitting here. I want you to remember in this event. Have a way to get wings. Nowhere to go. This is a few days away. This is just time to plan ahead. I mean, this is another system. Looks very strong. Outbreak has been brought up a little bit this morning, so we definitely got to keep this in mind. I don't know if it'll be another April 27th one. Does it look like it? But we know we got one tornado will come down your street. It's a bad day, so we got to keep that in mind. So we'll continue to keep you updated.